Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail with the help of example the two important tools, which is the offset and extrude. So you will learn these two tools clearly with the help of example. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. The offset command or tools and the extrude tools plays a very important role in working with these special drawings and normally in common drawings. So these two tools plays a very important role, and these are available in the modify category of tools, which are available in the home tab in the main menu bar. So this is the icon available of the tools of extrude, and this is the icon adjacent to the extrude is the offset. So through this you can play with the offset and extrude tools, or you can also write these two in the command line to play with these. So through offset tools you can make your work more easy by using these tools, and through extrude you can extrude your object to different segments. So let's come to start and learn with the help of example. So now I want to draw a line and so change the layer to be clearly visible. So I can click on the line and activate the argument. So this is a line, and now I want to the length of this drawing is 3 feet, and so we will add a line of known length. So we will draw a line of 1 feet in this vertical direction. It is 1, so we will add 5 feet length of the line. And the length is 5 feet. So it is too much, and we add a line of length equal to 2 feet. So now you can see this is a line and having a height of 2 feet, means in the y direction it is 2 feet. And now we want to add another line starting from here, to open these names. So we want to add another line starting from here of length equal to 15 feet. So now this is a line of length equal to 15 feet, and now we want to place this segment of the line throughout this line with the spacing between the line equal to 1 feet. So through the offset command we can make if we can make this work more easier. So we will click on this, and if we are not applying the offset command, so then it is very difficult to place a line, to place these different segment by segmented interval of 1 feet. The distance is a spacing between the line, so it is very difficult. But through offset command we will to apply the offset tool, so we will click on the, we will select, because it lies in the modify category, and any object we want to modify, you first we will select it. So we will select it and then we'll click on the offset. So in the command line you can see it requires to specify the offset distance. So we want to where is 1 feet is the separation distance. Now you can see you want to make offset on the left or on the right. So we are interested to make an offset on the right side, so we will click on the right side of this line. And now it is so simple to click on this, and then simply we'll click on the right side, so you can see it has been offsetted with a spacing of 1 feet between the line. So this is the power of offset tools in the AutoCAD. So this plays a very important role when you are placing the steps in beam or in column, or you are providing the main bars in either in one direction or in the another direction. You can easily place the bars at required spacing through this offset command or tool. So this was all about the offset tool and command, and now we will explain the another tool, which is the extrude one. So first we will select and we'll delete these, and now we want to click on draw a polyline. This is a polyline. And here so this is a polyline, and if you click anywhere on this line, so when you click on this segment of the line, so all the line will be selected because it is a polyline. And if you want to delete only this portion, so it is not deleted because all the line has been selected at the same time, because it is a polyline. Either you want to select this portion, or you want to select delete this portion or this portion or this portion as per your desire. So you cannot delete this one at this time. So what you have to do? So you have to apply the exclude command, means you have to exclude this polyline to different segments. So now you can see if I click on here, so all the line will be selected, and I want to only select this portion and to be deleted this portion. So first you will apply the exclude command, and then you will get all these lines in separate segments. So first I will select and then will click on the exclude. Just I click on the exclude tool or command. So now you can see every segment has been separated, and now you can delete your desired segment of the line. So if I want to delete this one, so I will select and will click on the delete. If I want to delete this, so select and will delete. So this was what about the all about the exclude tools command in AutoCAD. And with I will explain the help in another example. Let me draw a rectangle. First we will delete this one and will draw on the rectangle, and will simply draw a rectangle and will show the line here. So now I want to delete this portion. That means this segment of the rectangle. So if I click on this, so all the rectangle will be selected, and if I click on the delete, so all the whole rectangle will be there. But I'm only interested to select only and only this segment. So it can be done by applying first the exclude command. So I will select and then will click on the exclude. So now you can select and delete only this portion, or either this portion, either this, depending on your requirements. So this was all about the learning of two tools, which were the offset and the exclude. Now if you have any question in these two tools, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.